Callie, daily case numbers getting up to more than 26,000 now. As you said, that's up 70%. And Dr. Scott Gottlieb was on Squawk Box this morning mentioning a lot of folks might not be getting tested. So those numbers might be major undercounts. We're also seeing increases in hospital admissions up 36%, deaths up 26% week over week to an average daily number of 211 now. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky saying there are clear trends that you can see in the data. Here's what she said.
There is a clear message that is coming through. This is becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated. We are seeing outbreaks of cases in parts of the country that have low vaccination coverage because unvaccinated people are at risk.
And you can see in those two graphs there, the red areas are the ones seeing high transmission, and more counties are getting added to that, 10% more in the last week alone. And they do correspond with the areas of the lowest vaccination rates. You can see there just a month ago, there were a lot fewer areas in the red. There is one interesting piece of news, though, guys, which Evercore ISI points out in its note today, that states that are hardest hit by the pandemic right now, that have some of the highest infection rates, are also seeing the highest increases in people initiating vaccination. States from Utah, Nevada, Arkansas, California, Florida, and Missouri, they are all adding the highest numbers per capita of people getting their first shots. There's some sign that concerns about Delta are driving people to get vaccinated. Kelly?
Meg, it's Eamon over here. Is it too much to say that we're seeing a split-screen pandemic right now? One thing going on with the vaccinated population where you're seeing some of these breakthrough cases occasionally, but overall an entirely different picture from where we were last year. And then this rampaging pandemic in the unvaccinated population. And you look at that and you wonder, what do healthcare authorities need to do to tamp that down?
Yeah, you hit the nail on the head, Eamon. I mean, it's absolutely a tale of two different countries, the vaccinated country and the unvaccinated country. And the problem is, in the pockets where there are a lot of unvaccinated people, you are going to start seeing healthcare systems get overwhelmed. You already heard about some areas in the South that ran out of ventilators. I was speaking with the health secretary from Arkansas earlier this week who said he's not so worried about capacity in their hospital systems. They haven't started, putting off elective procedures again, for example, but he's worried about being able to staff all the beds they have in their surge capacity if folks keep getting sick. And the numbers are pretty scary. And with those low vaccination rates in some of those states, we really could see that start to happen.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.